This is a brand new 2012 Ford F-150. It has a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather interior, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and a trailer towing package. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Hardy Family Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1255 Charles Hardy Parkway in Dallas.